So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is a you versus them current energy check-in for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. It's a timeless reading because it's just current energy check-in, okay? And where this connection is heading right now. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for my courses, the tarot reading course, Ho'oponopono masterclass, or self-love course, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Scorpio, on your side, let's see what we have. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Death, and the Knight of Swords. Okay. You were kind of stuck on something or someone. Now now the stuck energy is done. You are out of something, out of a limbo, out of waiting, maybe out of this energy of wanting to make something work out. But the way you're running away, towards healing, you're like, okay, let me heal myself as quickly as possible. I don't want to look back. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to deal with it anymore. I'm done. Okay. Even if you're done, you are running away so fast from something or someone. You're not even thinking about it in any way. You're like, no, I don't want to deal with this anymore. Done is done. Chapter closed. Why should I think about it? Why should I see it? Why should I heal it properly? I know me running away from the situation is going to help me heal eventually at some point of my life. So let me just run away. Let me just not look back. You are refusing to look back even for healing. You're like, I'm done, good to go. Let's run as fast as we can. So as if you have to win a marathon or something, and as if you are going to get some kind of medal in who is running faster. Okay, Scorpio, you're telling me, Anjali, I'm done. I don't want to deal with this shit. This is bullshit. This is something that I'm never going to deal with in this lifetime because it sucked my energies so badly. It kept me stuck for so longer. You're definitely out of something, okay? But the way you are healing yourself is not the right way. You are kind of ignoring the healing portion completely. Okay, and move to the next. Okay, fine. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now. The energy attached to you is so hurt right now, so disappointed, but they are telling themselves, their mind is continuously telling them, it's okay, we will get over this too shall pass. It's probably the worst kind of energy that they have experienced in a very long time. They're heartbroken, they're trying to move on, they're disappointed. Even if they have other options, they're not happy with them, but they're trying their best to accept the truth and the reality of the situation for what it is and trying to move forward. They are continuously reminding themselves that it is part and parcel of our life, and this too shall pass. It's going to take some time for sure, but this too shall pass. They are continuously in this energy of reminding themselves that it's okay, this is part of life, this is just a phase, not your whole life, and that you will definitely be able to come out of it sooner or later in your life. Just keep moving ahead. Okay, gotcha. Let's see for the connection where it's heading. This person is not running away from the healing portion. They are actually facing it quite nicely and trying to heal it properly. You, on the other hand, is, I am not looking back. Who? What healing? I don't care. Nah. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have. We have the Four of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the King of Swords. Tada. If this is the marriage or commitment that we are talking about, you guys need to talk it out properly and honestly, with utmost honesty and truthfulness. Even if it is going to bother you guys, even if it is going to hurt you guys, both of you maybe, or maybe one of you guys need to talk it out properly and honestly. Otherwise this marriage is going to crumble down into pieces. Maybe this already have, but if you want to save this marriage or this commitment, even 1%, or like 1000% honesty, blunt, open, honest communication, loyal kind of energy, blunt and honest truth should be revealed from both the sides in order to remove this burdensome and heavy kind of energies from the situation. Only then there is a a little hope for this situation to maybe heal. Otherwise this connection is kind of, right now for the time being, it's kind of going nowhere. Actually, it's in fact it's crumbling apart, falling apart. For you, the guidance here is the Seven of Swords. Yes. You have to stay very, very truthful and honest with yourself first, this whole connection second, and with the person that you're dealing with third. And stop running away. Stop sneaking away from the situation. Instead, try to face the situation for what it is. Try to do the healing properly. Otherwise, you are going to attract the same kind of energies again and again and again until you are going to stop it and heal it properly. Now it's up to you, honey. What are you going to do about it? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.